The green woodpecker is a very elusive and wary bird and has a very distinctive call, which we'll hear later. It feeds mainly on ants and is on the ground a lot, so it's always looking out for danger. It uses its long tongue to probe the earth in search for ants. The male has red colouring under the beak, often referred to as a moustache. The female has a black moustache. And the juvenile has speckled feathers. It's more at home in the high branches of a tree in relative safety. It's amazing how it blends in with the tree bark, apart from the red head of course, and this is where we're going to hear its amazing call.